This video is powered by Swift Team Services. Your freight, our priority.
We are heading to the Expo in Kaiser and car problems. Now, the reason why I'm highlighting this is it's a natural part. When you drive modified vehicles, anything can happen at any time, and that is why it pays to, have unity, especially in the car scene where anything can happen at any time. And thanks to, a few good Samaritans, we're getting some assistance. So stay tuned. We'll see if we can still make it to the Expo. Yeah, man, but this is our day has started.
What? Style.
That's not
Hey, what did I do without me, man?
That's it.
Yo, look on the picture.
I'm not gonna say so little sitting there, but not that bad. I just reach you.
I know when you were talking.
Yeah.
When you were talking.
At 600, that's why it's feeling like. Oh, if I pour that. Hey, right now, if you get a man this, we never drive a fast car yet, This is a big game, Now this come out for a fast car.
But when you see a brand, they might feel back you. So why don't you change that? Where's that one?
But you know.
One go. We don't find none,
Crazy.
We don't find none.
Walk one now.
Hey! No street.
Here's a point. Bobby and Bob.
I run 87, man. You won't get run 87.
Alright, so Shane and Bob save the day, we get a fuel pump to continue on the journey, so stay tuned for some more updates, alright?
Bob is to the rescue, Right, man.
It is now 1:14, so we are about to continue the journey. So stay tuned. Yeah, man, we're still heading there, alright? Alright guys, so we just made it to the Kaiser Sports Ground for the Ministry of Education Expo. I was on the live a few minutes ago and couldn't remember the name. But yeah, we are at the Expo. The kids are looking at some of the rides. So as usual, we will try to give you some updates and yeah, So stay tuned. We have O'Shane. O'Shane took his bike out. We have the Massive Auto sponsored coupe. We have Project Black, Corolla. We have Dominic and we have Troy. Alright, so stay tuned, guys. Yeah, man, big up.
All the
D series,
all the D series are more power than
Because the D series has aftermarket parts in it. So it upgraded pistons, upgraded rods. But this engine now, this K series that's in my car, it's a stock engine, meaning just it came from the manufacturer from Japan or wherever.
No, so
it never pulled before. All right, so because you want to kind of, there's a limit or a threshold for, there's a limit for the aftermarket parts too, because you can buy the parts based on how much power you want to make, based on the rating. But yeah.
So you think you're gonna add more sporty?
It can turn up some more. People put as much as 500, 600 horsepower on a stock engine, stock K series.
So wait, race gas you use?
No, pump gas. Yeah.
You see the white one. Race gas it I use.
It can use race gas.
We see
Pump gas step on now.
But it's pump gas now. Yeah.
When him there debate.
Yeah, man.
Race fuel when you're driving or something.
So
Right.
you know about the B series? You know about the B series?
Yeah, man. There's a B series in the Toyota over there.
So how that turbo is so big? That engine they built to though?
Where's the owner? Where I got him gone? Oh, come tell the man about the car now, man. The man want to know why your turbo so big if it's a built engine.
It's stock for now.
In
In the future,
So it's stock engine. How much power it has? How much horsepower? Yeah.
don't know what's it, but I'm looking for like 250.
250.
Because we want it reliable,
But the turbo can push out more power than that.
Yes, but it lead back to the engine. The build of the engine, they need some parts in it.
Yeah, so
upgrade it first.
right. So once it upgrade the rods, pistons, and
So we can beat that white car. Right? It's a fast car, the white car.
yeah, man.
So if you build one engine and you want to build everything, like piston and something, why don't normally just change to make a make a 500 or so?
Well, it's a gamble. You can do like rod bolts, spring and retainers.
That's in the head of the engine.
That's just a little safer than the stock. It's a risk to push it up there before the engine.
So you have to just build the whole engine and that.
Reliability is key. You can turn up.
Rods, pistons.
Right, you can put a lot of power on this engine, but it won't live. Yeah.
So you have to go back to factory and everything.
No, well, the mechanics, our mechanics, would do the upgrades. So just take out the stock parts, put in the upgraded parts.
When you buy pistons, if you want to make a 600 as well, you have to something with the black down.
Bore it. Not all the time. Yeah, not all the time. It depends on the displacement of a K24 it's much more than the single cam. It's a bigger displacement. Yeah.
So 876 is what? A garage?
No, 876 Streets it's an automotive lifestyle brand. We into like modified cars, car culture. Yeah, man.
The cutout. Most of the car them have cutout for help with the hair.
Okay.
Yeah. But your car, the intake, just they don't on the floor.
No, the exhaust.
The exhaust mean they don't on the floor.
Right.
With no cutout. So I say, you don't affect the power at all?
With heating. Not really. Not really, because the pipe that's coming from the turbo itself is big enough. The only difference, is I could have cut the hole in the bonnet and let it come up, but I run it under the car instead. Yeah, so that's the only difference, really. Yeah.
Usually say you cut out and stuff.
Okay. I just never wanted to cut the bonnet, so it's a
Why
choice.
they normally cut the bonnet and push it?
Why? Because they don't want the exhaust going under the car where your fuel lines are. So, when you do like a two-step, you don't have like any fire going close to like fuel lines.
But they take that risk though.
I put it away. It is away from so I turn it away from the fuel lines.
That's so.
But if it was more horsepower, you couldn't have it there.
Yeah, man, it could still. Yeah, man, it could.
Yes, and normally why it should be two, like the exhaust, two, they don't want it's so long, like either send back some pressure to
Oh, like a back pressure?
Yeah.
Yes, but like, alright, your exhaust through the bonnet. Why you put it through the bonnet?
Just for like flames safety with the gas.
And it look good too.
Yeah, look good.
Like when the fire coming out.
Yeah,
man. Like my exhaust fire is coming out, but you can't see it unless you look underneath the car.
So I still want to risk then. You have to risk at some point.
Yeah. I guess you're right.
What kind of turbo you have in your car?
It's what they call a T3 T4. It's a max speed in rod. The back housing is 63. And I don't remember the front housing, but it's a T3 T4 turbo. Yeah, you know where the turbo is?
Yeah.
Come show me the turbo. Who tell us that that's a turbo?
I know for a long time.
You know from long time?
Yes.
Good job.
Big up here.
Sir.
Well, can you show me?
You say one turbo, sir.
Engine.
Yeah?
Alright, sir.
Battery.
What kind of
Battery. Alright.
Hold on, sir.
What your name?
Shamar Johnson.
Shamar Johnson. Which school?
Waterman Primary.
Which parish is that?
Woodstone. Woodstone.
No, which parish?
Woodstone. No,
Parish.
Woodstone.
You serious?
St.
Tana Cholani, that's what he's
No, Center.
Okay. Alright, cool.
Sometime with your cars.
Yeah, man, this is a race car, a drag racing car.
So I have,
So those are the drag tires in the back.
they're supposed to go on these.
Right, these are skinnies. These are called skinnies at the back.
They're supposed to drive.
Right, those are the slicks in there.
kind of wide topic with like maps and cars, like how you'd run the car and different
To
maps.
tune it.
Yeah.
Right.
But I know like sometimes, like let's say for drag races, you can run your car in a different map.
Right.
How does that?
All right. So in this car, there's a switch.
Control to
It's a switch. So he turns it on when he's going to race, and that would give him the race map. When he's running on pump gas, he turns it off, and that goes back to the pump map.
So what is that?
Map? It's a tuning.
for different horsepower.
Yeah.
Oh, so you get after based on the terrain way on.
No, not terrain.
you control
Based on like the fuel you're running, because while it is running pump gas now,
Oh, you go turn it off for instance.
right,
And you put on race gas.
you turn it right.
So what's the main aside from the gas? What other reason for it? For instance, you go contract. Okay.
All right. So, for example, you're driving on the road. You don't want optimum power because the road is not the place for it.
Okay.
Right. So you drive on a lower tune map. Right. That is treatable. Yeah, with race gas.
How much you make the pump gas?
I'm not sure. I'd have to ask the owner.
So you make up again?
It's soon rev, man. It's soon start. Nitrous. I don't know if him have nitrous in a film car. Maybe not, but
So how much of a performance difference the car get And race fuel from pump.
It depends on the fuel.
Police are coming and I'm going to race car.
It depends on the fuel. Some fuel give you bigger gains, like horsepower. Alright. So it depends on your goal, your horsepower goal.
Prevent.
That what's the purpose of the wing? What do you think? Down force? What is down force?
Keep the car low. Sit down low.
Keep it on the help with aerodynamics, and I think keep it on the track. I'm not sure.
Okay. Go for the airborne place at Kingston.
Down force basically help you with the aerodynamics so you can
on the ground.
Correct.
This package nice.
You're going over it.
Right, like how air flows, it's gonna go over the top and it's going to come back under. So that draft that goes under the wing helps to let the car.
So that's what we were talking about when we go to Kingston and the place. And
Which place?
Not Infinity Boss then.
No, not Infinity Boss. I went to a plane place in Kingston that day, but I can't remember the name. I was talking about plane works. That's what he explained to me.
With the wing and the draft. Don't. Okay.
Kind of get it. Don't force us.
Got you. Everything there is upgraded pretty much.
This where I live.
Yeah.
My guy named Anxious. You always do it.
Anxious?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm a brethren.
Oh, you know?
Yeah, man.
Really, yeah. I always have these type of cars. I mean, I have a seat on the bucket. I mean, I say, what is for?
Oh, okay. It's adjustable. When you upgrade them, you're able to can adjust them to whatever camber you want.
Yeah. So
you know.
The racing thing. Yeah, with the racing.
Yeah, man, definitely. Yeah, man, to fine tune, you know. Yeah.
It's been a long time coming. They ain't cuffing my clock, they tugging it. Putting up numbers, 99 pounds, and I still kept it 100. Yeah, it's been a long time coming. They ain't cuffing my clock, they tugging it. Putting up numbers, 99 pounds, and I still kept it 100. Yeah, who don't play, 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 who don't play, 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 who don't play, 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 who don't play, 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 who don't. Long time coming, black on the bottom of my feet from running, cataracts under my eyes from hustling, going from buying to selling to customers, run up the business, God is my witness, sun up to sun up from Monday to Sunday, we maxing our limits, my mind running like Tom Cruise on an action movie, moving a mission, they say that I'm tripping, I've been told I need a vacation, I'm finessing a visit, first class, my feet up high, in the air on business, cover the city, your city ain't working, it's all for nothing, we don't let up, it's on us to make it, it's on us to crush it, niggas gon' take songs just to make songs, so we gotta use can't keep moving your dreams for cheap when you ain't even bugging, what got you bugging, make you a play, don't be scared, I'm religion, you made it from nothing, just figure out you everything you want in front of you, ain't no discussion, but it's been a long time coming.
2. We're not talking about
What?
a drag car, what we want to do is we want to make less power and have the car doing more time. You understand? Based on the fact that the lighter the car is, the faster it can go. So we basically got out the car with a shell and put an engine in it, you know?
Yeah, we call it weight reduction. Weight reduction. So we just take out the extra seats and the panels, heavy panels.
Would it be similar to the vehicles that they use at the
Basically, but a drag car settings is much different, suspension wise and a couple other things.
When I pass coach here, I'm rev it. When I pass coach here, I'm rev it. Coach here is still up. Yeah, man, next car already.
Right now, here we go now. You see, me just got to different parts. You can use the Evo 9, Evo 7, 8, 9 parts on the Evo. You get me? Because if my Evo 7 rim, Evo 8 brake. This head is like an Evo 7. And the black you can get onto my Evo 79. So that's the only part you must still can get past. We have an Evo 3 which is a 1,000 horsepower car. And right now, I tell you, sometimes when you get parts for that car, they tell you, if you not look how far you can get your car. But yesterday, we just set it up back, you know, and just get one cup. One gearbox cup, you know, which is one simple, one small little something, so, you know. Everyone has to reserve a car, a Cayman, you know, to see if we can get one cup for them. I'm going to tell you, 200 for one cup. Well, ask a cup. Better you must have mad before that we change the shelf. I'll be like, I'm mad. 200,000 for just a cup.
876 Streets. So we are at the end of another day, wrapping up the expo right here at the Kaiser grounds in Senton. I must say thanks to the Ministry of Education Region 2 or 3. Thanks for inviting us out to showcase the cars. Definitely we had fun chilling with the kids and the teachers, you know. So yeah, stay tuned and look out for another video. Who knows where we'll be next, but this initiative, I must say that we're enjoying it. It's new and it's definitely catching like wildfire, you know. Quite a few schools and institutions have been reaching out, inviting us to their you know, schools to, you know, just engage the kids and show them a new side of, you know, the automotive world, you know. So until then, as I said, we're wrapping up. I have to say big up to Tyrese, Dominic, Troy, Alric, O'Shane rode out today, and of course the massive auto sponsored Civic. So we're signing out, and yeah, remember to like, share and subscribe, all right?
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.